Hello, everybody. Nick Rising from Wonks. Welcome back to the Wonkery and to the fourth video in my SEO series, which is titled Mobile First and User Experience. All right, so in 2015, Google made a significant shift towards mobile first indexing, a move that prioritized mobile-friendly content when determining search rankings. So following is a little bit of a summary of how they implemented this change and how they began incorporating user behavior signals. So by 2015, mobile traffic had surpassed desktop traffic in many parts of the world, and Google recognized that websites optimized for mobile devices often provided a better user experience. To accommodate this shift, Google decided to make mobile-friendly sites the primary source for its search index. All right, the implementation. So mobile-friendly content first. So Google started to index mobile-friendly pages first, even for search queries made on desktop devices. Previously, Google's search engine crawled desktop versions of websites and ranked them based on that content. Now, the mobile version of a website became the basis for indexing and ranking. Changes in crawling. So the Google bot began crawling the mobile version of a page instead of the desktop version and used that content for ranking. So websites that didn't have a mobile-friendly version saw a drop in their rankings. Responsive web design. So websites with responsive designs, which automatically adjust to different screen sizes, were favored as they offered consistent experiences across devices. For sites with separate mobile and desktop versions, Google recommended that both versions have identical content to avoid ranking penalties. The timeline, which I said was around about 2015. So mobile first indexing was gradually rolled out, starting with websites that were already mobile friendly. Google eventually made this the default for all websites. All right, let's take a quick look at incorporating user behavior signals. So along with mobile first indexing, Google started paying more attention to user behavior signals to improve its ranking algorithms. These signals provided insights into how users interacted with websites, helping Google determine which sites offered better user experiences. Some of the key behavior signals Google began using included the click-through rate, or CTR as we call it. So CTR measures how often users click on a link when it appears in the search results. Impact on rankings. So a higher CTR indicates that users find the link relevant to their query. So Google began incorporating this as a signal to rank pages. Sites with higher CTRs for particular queries were often considered more relevant or useful, which helped improve their rankings. Bounce rate. So bounce rate refers to the percentage of visitors who leave a page without interacting with it. So, i.e., without clicking on other links or staying on the site for a meaningful duration. Impact on rankings. So a high bounce rate could indicate poor content relevance or user experience. So Google began using this signal to determine which sites provided value to users. Sites with lower bounce rates, indicating that users engaged more with content, were more likely to rank higher. Dwell time. So dwell time refers to the amount of time a user spends on a page after clicking a link in the search results before returning to the search results. impact on the rankings. So longer dwell times indicated that users were finding the content valuable, which could positively impact the site's ranking. Okay, finally, the overall impact. By combining mobile first indexing with user behavior signals, Google aimed to improve the relevance and user experience of its search results. This shift emphasized the importance of providing high quality, mobile friendly content that users found engaging. Websites that failed to meet these new criteria saw a drop in their rankings, while those that embraced mobile optimization and focused on improving user engagement through reduced bounce rates and increased CTR saw better performance in search results. This was a key part of Google's ongoing efforts to refine its search algorithms and ensure that search results were better aligned with user needs and expectations. All right, well, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you once again for your company. And please don't forget, on our website and our YouTube channel, there is a lot of informative educational content. There's bound to be something there of interest to yourself. Please be sure to tune in for episode 5 of my SEO series in June, where I will be talking about expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Okay, everybody, stay safe and have a great day. See you next time.